Have you ever wondered what it takes to truly excel in your role, no matter what it is? In a world where we're constantly comparing ourselves to others, what if the answer to fulfillment was simpler than we thought? Abraham Lincoln once said, "Whatever you are, be a good one." Today, we'll unravel the power behind these few words and see how they can radically transform our daily lives. What does it take to truly be a good one in whatever role you play? It might sound straightforward, but Lincoln's words carry a depth that resonates through history and into our modern struggles. Let's explore how this wisdom from one of America's greatest leaders can guide us toward becoming the best versions of ourselves. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, is known for his wisdom, humility, and resilience. He demonstrated these qualities during some of the nation's darkest times, the Civil War. One notable example of his resilience was when he faced repeated political defeats before ultimately becoming president. Despite losing several elections, Lincoln never gave up, demonstrating an unwavering commitment to his vision for the country. This quote, "Whatever you are, be a good one," reflects Lincoln's belief in the value of integrity and excellence, no matter the circumstances. Lincoln grew up in a poor family, faced countless setbacks, and yet became one of the most respected figures in American history. His journey wasn't about being born into greatness, but about striving for it in every role he took on, whether as a young lawyer, a congressman, or a president. This simple quote is a reflection of his approach to life. Whatever your job or role might be, do it with all your heart and strive to be the best version of yourself. Think about modern icons like Oprah Winfrey or Elon Musk. They discovered their unique strengths and worked tirelessly to excel, showing that true success comes from dedication and passion. They each found a role where they could excel and poured everything into becoming good ones. This lesson applies whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or an entrepreneur. On the surface, Lincoln's words seem to encourage competence, but when you look deeper, it's about much more than simply being good at something. It's about embracing whatever you are right now and giving it your all. In today's world, we often measure our worth based on external achievements: how much money we make, how many followers we have, how impressive our job title sounds. Lincoln's wisdom offers a refreshing perspective. It's not about the title or prestige, but about how well you perform your role. The true essence of fulfillment lies in excellence, effort, and the integrity you put into what you do. Imagine two chefs in a kitchen, one working in a 5-star restaurant and one at a local diner. The restaurant's prestige doesn't define success. What truly matters is the care, skill, and passion put into each dish. A humble, well-cooked meal can mean as much to someone as an expensive gourmet dish when it's made with heart. Lincoln's message pushes us to stop comparing our paths with others and instead focus on mastering our craft, whatever it may be. To illustrate this point, instead of worrying about how successful your coworker is, set personal goals that help you improve in your own role. This shift in focus from comparison to self-improvement can lead to greater satisfaction and growth. It's about defining success on our terms, through dedication, effort, and an unyielding desire to be better today than we were yesterday. How can we take Lincoln's advice and make it a part of our daily lives? First, embrace the power of small actions. You don't need a grand title to make an impact. You just need to be intentional in whatever you're doing. Whether you're working in customer service, leading a team, or supporting your friends and family, decide to bring your best self to each interaction. Show kindness, put in the extra effort, and take pride in your work. Second, set a standard of personal excellence. Excellence doesn't mean perfection. Rather, it means striving to improve. For example, excellence could be putting in consistent effort to learn and grow, while perfection might mean obsessing over every small detail and feeling defeated when things aren't flawless. Lincoln's quote is a reminder that no matter what role you're in right now, it matters. Set small goals to better yourself each day, whether that's learning a new skill, improving a relationship, or simply being more present. Lastly, stop comparing yourself to others. The key to being a good one lies in authenticity. Be true to your unique skills, passions, and journey. When you let go of comparison and focus instead on being the best at your role, you'll find a sense of fulfillment that no external validation can give. So, here's a challenge for you. Pick one area of your life where you feel you could be a bit better. It could be your job, a relationship, or even your self-care habits. Think about one change you can make today to be a good one in that area. Abraham Lincoln's simple yet powerful words, "Whatever you are, be a good one," remind us that the pursuit of greatness is often found in our everyday actions. Whether you are leading a company or sweeping the floors, every role matters when done with dedication and heart. Life isn't about grand titles or massive achievements. It's about finding purpose and striving for excellence, regardless of the scale. You have the power to make a difference, right where you are with what you have. When you decide to be a good one, you not only uplift yourself, but inspire those around you to do the same. If this message resonates with you, join our community of people striving to be their best every day. Like this video, subscribe, and share your journey in the comments. Let's strive together to be a good one every single day.